Boom. Good morning. So, I just want to say hi and maybe share a little bit about the directness of what is and is not already. Boom. Inspired by beautiful chats in a group from a friend, very joyfully, funnily expressing the sense of there being someone. So the felt sense of someone in this body. Knowing all the concepts, the non-dual concepts of, well, there is already no one to start with. Well, the feeling of being a center, of having a position located in this body, in the head, in the nose, in the chest, in the heart, in the butt. Oops. Is this already? The itchy gitchy, sticky, bicky, mickey, bookie of relating to whatever appears to happen. Is this already? Full on, booming perfection. No way already to escape the totality of what is. And is not. Wow. So no matter what ideas, beliefs, thoughts, fantasies, emotions, perceptions are arising, that's it already. Boom. The idea that this here is going somewhere is leading to freedom, to liberation, to the so-called end of suffering. Is this already? The beautiful dance of seeking, wanting, needing, longing to understand what's going on. It's just this. What a beauty. No! 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 Just this already. sweethearts. What to say? Yeah, everything. I can tell you a lot of beautiful stories. I love you. Enjoy the show if you can.